Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do a test that Tavarish came out with, I want to say yesterday. He made a video just simply not really calling out YouTubers, but just kind of take a challenge, I guess, and rate your build, your current build or builds, whatever. So I printed out the sheet here. So let's get started with the video, guys. So basically this video is a test to see where your build stands, and as we see here, we're not gonna get all 25 points in most of the categories. So anyway, let's go straight ahead to that car and let's grade it. All right, so here we go with this test, and so let's go ahead and start. And first 5 points is the car registered? Yes, it is. Car is registered. Bodywork full of got him! Got him! Free of any pinholes. So we have some rust on this car right there, and yeah, got some little bit of work to do. The hole on the keyhole, trims are off, paint is not looking too good. So the frame on this car is safe, and that's where it's asking, so I'm gonna do that and take a picture, that way you guys can see. But paint, of course, it's messed up. Materials used, correct. I haven't even started. So factory methods to finish the body and paint, I have not even started. So as you can see, it's really faded. So neutral. And it idles good. It's good mechanically. So any fluids leaking? Not really. I haven't seen any fluids leak or anything like that. And let me take another picture of this one, which is the one that I'm going by. Vibrations, of course, the car's old, so it does vibrate a little bit. And if the components are torqued to spec, I'm pretty sure they're probably not. But other than that, everything is secured how it goes. You know, it is a daily, so it works. Gauge cluster does have an SRS bag, and that is this. So but nothing bad has happened yet, so that's a good thing. Performance of the car is probably not at OEM level either. Let me take a picture of that questionnaire as well. And the suspension is not aligned correctly. The steering wheel kind of drives off a little bit like this, so this car does need an alignment. Car has driven for more than 1,000 miles, so we're good on that. And this car is a daily driver, so it does pass on that one. So let's go ahead and score this car. So this is a score on the e34. And with that being said, I'm going to upload this, and I will definitely try to bring this car back to its glory, at least in stock form. And if you guys have any comments or ideas, comment down below. I'd be glad to hear them. Also, if you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button for future uploads on this build.